Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne, and today, yes, today, I'm trying a brand new deep conditioner. If you want to see how it works on my hair, stay tuned. Okay, Roses, so today we're going to be trying the Honey and Hibiscus Deep Conditioner from Pretti Phizziez. I can never pronounce her name right. If you're interested in seeing me use other products, actually products that color your hair, temporary hair color that is, make sure you check the description box or up here for the card to check that out. But anyway, let's get into this deep conditioner. I actually bought this during Black Friday sale during 2019. Let's see, ingredients: enriched with mango butter, coconut butter, coconut milk, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, aloe vera juice, jojoba oil, hibiscus extract, honey, and vitamin E. Nothing but goodness in here. Nothing. And I think I had, oh, it smells so good. Probably can't see the color because it's washed out, but it's like a light, very pale pink color. Oh, it smells good. It reminds me of a smoothie. That's exactly what it reminds me. Okay, so just got done washing my hair. For details on what I washed my hair with, I'll leave a card up here. Here we go. Let's smooth it on. Oh, it smooths on really, really smoothly. Super easy to detangle with. Yeah, this is a breeze. Instantly, I like this. Haven't had any kind of adverse reactions. And look at them curls. They're clumping together with the deep conditioner. Ooh. A little bit goes a long way with this. This is another thing. I don't feel like I need to slather this on my head. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and I'll be back. Okay, so I finished spreading the deep conditioner through the other side of my hair. I will tell you that it does instantly soak into my strands. I do notice that. And I do notice a little bit truly goes a long way. I know everybody say that, but it's true. I feel like I barely use anything, y'all. I mean, let me show you. Very much worth the money so far. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit in here. Now let me see. What does it say about? So it doesn't say anything on this particular label. I don't know if labeling has changed since last year, but it doesn't say exactly how long to leave it in. So I'll just leave it in, you know, the standard, you know, it's normally 15 to 30 minutes, whatever. I'll leave it in at least about 30 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, this is what we're looking like. My hair is so soft. Still smelling really, really good. Y'all see that curl poppage? Oh, my hair feels good. Okay. Now time to wash it out and see what it looks like after that. Look at this curl poppage. It's something you can't deny. My hair is so soft. Oh my goodness. Wow. What can I say? I love this stuff. Okay, I love this stuff. I'm glad I finally opened it. This will not be the last time I order it. Let me know, have you used this Honey Hibiscus Deep Conditioner by Pretti Phizziez, or have you used any of her other products? I have used the color cream that she has. I might throw some of that on her. I don't know, but I know I'm about to do wash and go, because with this at the baseline, oh, that's what we're doing. So anyway, let me know what you guys thought about this particular video, this particular product. Would you be interested in trying it? I'll go ahead and leave the information for this black female owned business in the description box. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video and any more after that. And I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.